Hey there, young scientists. My name's Doc Ford. Today is Earth Day. Earth Day brings awareness to environmental issues, such as pollution, deforestation, climate change, and endangered species. You can do your part to help out. You can do things by saving water, like when you brush your teeth, don't leave the water running. Or don't take so long in the shower. You can also help conserve energy, like doing things like turning the TV off when you're not watching it, or turn the lights off when you're not in the room. Doing things like that can help save the earth and keep the earth healthy. Jump in jelly beans. Who turned off the lights? Oh, whoa!